Hi guys, I'm Yuti and welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to duplicate the objects and layers in Illustrator. First, I created a basic shape on my artboard as you can see. Now, one way to duplicate is by using copy paste Control C and Control V. That's the also very easiest method. But there is also a faster way to do this. You can press Shift Control V to paste the shape exactly at the same spot as the original. It might look like nothing happened, but there's actually a duplicated version right on the top. You can check this by clicking and dragging a new shape away. Now, here is, here is an even quicker method. Hold Alt key or Option key on the Mac, Alt, and while dragging the shape, your cursor will change into a double arrow. Click and drag the shape to make the duplicate in any position you want. About some layers. Illustrator allows you to work directly on the artboard. So I don't always use a layer panel unless I really need it. We use layer panel in the Photoshop. But if you want to see the layer panels in Illustrator, you can go to the windows and click on layers. You can see at the right side of your properties bar, the layer panel will be opened. Click the small arrow to expand the layers and you all see the objects inside. The selected objects will have a smaller circle next to it. You can also duplicate the layers just like the objects. Hold Alt and drag the layers in the layer panel. This makes the duplicated in the same spot and you can just move it later on. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.